Hello students, hope you are doing well. Karnataka Examination Authority, that is KEA, that is the conducting authority of KCET exam, is the one that prescribes the exam pattern for KCET exam. The KCET exam is conducted in the offline mode for the candidates who are interested in pursuing BTech and BE courses in the various participating institutes across the Karnataka state. It is very important for all the registered candidates to know about the KCET exam pattern, which will help them through their exam preparation and will also help them understand what type of questions is asked in the exam. Hence, in today's video, we'll cover all the important aspects of KCET exam pattern, such as the format of the exam, marking scheme, mode, weightage and other details. Highlights of KCET exam pattern. Let us look at some of the important highlights of KCET exam pattern. The entrance test will be conducted in the offline mode, that is pen and paper mode. The paper will consist of multiple type questions. Each question will consist of 4 options, out of which candidates will have to choose one correct response. The KCET syllabus will cover units from subjects including physics, chemistry and mathematics or biology. The maximum marks for each paper in KCET exam will be 60. Each question will carry 1 mark and there will be no negative marking for an incorrect answer. The medium of the language for the KCET exam will be either in English or Kannada in the exam. Each paper will be for a total of 1 hour and 20 minutes duration. The other highlights of KCET exam pattern. There will be 3 papers, physics, chemistry and mathematics or biology. The exam mode will be pen and paper based. There will be a total of 180 questions of multiple choice question format. 1 mark will be awarded for each correct response and there will be no negative marking. Now let us look at the total number of questions in KCET exam. For the physics paper, there will be a total of 60 questions for 60 marks, that is 1 mark for each question. For chemistry subject, there will be total of 60 questions for 60 marks, and for mathematics or biology, again there will be a total of 60 questions for 60 marks. The total questions for all the 3 papers will be 180 for a total of 180 marks. Now let us look at the marking scheme for KCET exam. The total number of questions in each paper will be 60. 1 marks will be awarded for each correct response and there will be no negative marking, that is, for responding to an incorrect answer or not attempting any answer will give you 0 marks. Now let us look at the topic-wise weightage for physics in KCET exam. The topic name are wave optics, heat and thermodynamics, ray optics, electrostatics, electromagnetic induction, current electricity, physics of nucleus, modern physics, wave motion and alternating current. The wave optics will be for 9% weightage, heat and thermodynamics for 8%, ray optics for 8%, electrostatistics for 8%, electromagnetic induction for 6%, current electricity for 6%, physics of nucleus for 6%, modern physics for 6%, wave motion for 5% and alternating current for 4%. Now let us look at the KCET topic-wise weightage for chemistry. The biomolecules topic will be for 7% weightage, H-carboxylic acid and its derivatives for 6%, alcohol phenol ether for 6%, S-block elements for 5%, redox reaction for 4%, chemical kinetics for 4%, atomic structure for 3%, P-block elements for 3% and chemical bonding again for 3%. Now let us look at the KCET topic-wise weightage for mathematics. Integration will be for 7% weightage, vectors for 6%, permutation and combination for 6%, 3D geometry for 5%, probability for 4%, complex numbers for 4%, limits for 3%, matrices determinants for 3%, continuity and differentiability for 3%, and statistics 4%. That's all for today. Thank you. For more information on KCET exam, stay tuned to College Dekho. Also, do not forget to check out the video description for other related articles for KCET exam. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.